In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a view in Airtable. If you've ever found yourself wanting to organize your data in a more visual or structured way, Airtable offers a versatile solution. Let's dive into the process, starting from your Airtable homepage. When you first log into Airtable, you're greeted with the homepage, a starting point from where you can access all your data management needs. Your first step here is to navigate over to the All Workspaces area. This is where all your projects or databases are categorized, making it straightforward to find what you need. For our example today, let's click on a particular workspace. Let's say, Support Management. Once you're in, you'll notice several options to manage your data. Pay attention to the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find the Create section. Now, under this Create section, you have the power to add a variety of views. These views can be tailored to your specific needs, such as a grid view for spreadsheets, a calendar for event tracking, or a gallery for photos and more. To demonstrate, we're going to select a Kanban view, which is perfect for visualizing tasks in columns, much like a sticky note project board. Once you choose the Kanban view, you're prompted with options regarding who can edit this view. Airtable allows you to decide between collaborative or personal views. This flexibility is excellent for teams working together, as well as for individuals customizing their workflow. Make your choice based on whether you want others to have editing access or if you prefer to keep it personal. After setting your preferences, the final step is to click on Create New View. This action finalizes your customization, and just like that, your new view is ready. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage your projects and data efficiently using Airtable. That's all there is to it. Creating a view in Airtable allows you to tailor the data presentation according to your needs, enhancing productivity and organization. Whether you are managing a team project or keeping track of personal tasks, these customized views provide a clear and concise overview of your workload. Thank you for following along, and happy organizing with Airtable.